So what the party that's left behind most needs, at least at the outset, is time. They need time to catch up to that partner that's actually made the decision to separate. Now, the next step from that, and it's often a step that the partner that's left might seek to rush into to bring their other partner along. That's not necessarily going to be the best thing, but the legal advice is. The legal advice is helpful to both parties because it outlines their options, I suppose, their top and bottom, their best and worst outcome. And what that does is it establishes some acceptable boundaries. We don't wind up with both parties entrenched in a particular position. So the next thing we want to do, once we get to a point where the party who's been left behind is accepting of the breakdown of the relationship and is now starting to make decisions about what goes on next in their life, then a cooperative arrangement, a negotiation if you like, and it is often called a mediation, and it can be as simple as the two parties discussing the matter together with the assistance of their lawyers. It doesn't need to be any more complex than that. Of course, there's a mediation process, and we'll talk about that later. If you can then find a compromise within the parameters of what each party understands is their best and worst case scenario, that's what then leads to an agreement.